is. I can come and go as I please, have my own space.
No. You have my space.
Also, a distinction without a difference.
So that's it? You're not leaving?
Like I said, I'm comfortable here.
Comfortable, huh? Okay. My path is clear. Oh. I can grow tomatoes upside down. Hey, you awake?
No, I can keep going.
Alan.
Oh, hi. What's up?
I need a favor.
Okay, sure. What is it?
I got this girl upstairs, and I need you to take care of her bird.
Okay, when you say bird, what exactly is it you're referring to?
Get your mind out of the gutter. Her bird. Here. Guess what his name is?
Mothra?
Larry. Larry Bird. Get it? This chick's from Boston. Anyway, I put him in the living room, but Larry didn't like to be alone.
Okay, I guess.
Thanks. Oh, yeah, don't put your hands near his face. If you get up to pee, make sure you close the bathroom door.
Why?
I don't know, he's got this thing about penises. He thinks they're big worms. Or LA Lakers. Good night.
Good night.
Spank me.
What?
I'm a bad girl. Spank me.
Oh, for God's sake.
Too big.
All right, Larry, go to sleep.
That's it, baby. Oh, yeah. You're the best.
And let me tell you, it wasn't easy finding a hooker with a big bird. Snakes? No problem. They all got snakes.
Shh. Here he comes.
Thanks again for watching Larry.
I'd say bite me, but that's been taken care of.